Hey, Rumi. Are you asleep? Sorry, of course you're not asleep. You just told me to come in. Sorry, I just needed a way to segue into coming in. Hi. Oh, you can't sleep either. What a coincidence. That's why I'm here. Um, you wouldn't possibly be having trouble sleeping because it's just so dang cold, are you? Same. Oh, it's freezing. And every time I start to drift off, I just wake up shivering. Huh? Did I need something? Oh, yeah, I was, just wondering if I could, I don't know, maybe lay in bed with you? Why? You know what? Never mind, actually. I'll just go back to my room. Let's just forget all about... Really? You'll let me sleep with you? Are you absolutely sure? I don't want to take up too much space or make you uncomfortable at all. Okay. I'll get over there before you change your mind. You don't have to tell me twice. Oh, wow. Your bed is actually like 10 times warmer than mine. No wonder you're always in here, passed out, sleeping. If I had a bed this comfortable, I think I would sleep more at night too. I would probably start napping too. I don't know. I think your bed is just made differently. I mean, like, definitely because you have more blankets than I do, which is crazy. Because how do I, a person who actually does love blankets, only have one blanket? I don't know. I guess I didn't bring all of my blankets over when I moved here. I didn't want to make a crazy first impression that I was a crazy blanket lady. Although that impression would be true because I do love some blankets and I'm really, really regretting not having my bajillions of them now. Yeah, it is snowing out there. It was so cold, I was just up watching it for a while. But being even closer to the window made it even colder, so... Yeah, I don't know what it is. I'm just so cold. um, would it be okay if I scoot just a little closer and maybe snuggled up to you a little bit? Yeah? Oh, thank you so much. I really needed to be held by someone right now. You have no idea how much this means to me. Oh my gosh. You're so warm. one could even say you were pretty hot. Huh? No, I didn't say anything. It must have been the wind. Yeah, just the wind. Big, scary, cold wind. Come on, don't you know there's a snowstorm outside? um, it honestly didn't really hit me until now, but wow, we are so close to each other. I can practically see every feature of your face. Every perfect feature of your beautiful face. How can a human be so attractive? In a completely platonic, friendly kind of way, because we're friends, not anything more than that. Huh? You think I'm attractive too? Oh, come on. There's no need to lie. If anyone here is attractive, we both know it's you. You really think I'm good looking? I'm sorry. It's just kind of hard for me to believe that because I've never really thought too highly of myself. It's especially hard to believe it coming from someone as perfect as you. Yes, you are perfect. Literally every single aspect about you is pure perfection. You have those beautiful eyes and those perfect eyebrows to pair. Like, I'm kind of jealous. And your nose is just so cute. I love it. And I just want to trace my finger over it half the time. And you have the most pinchable cheeks in the whole universe. And even though I've never gotten the chance to pinch them, I really want to. And quite possibly the most amazing lips I have ever seen. And they always look so soft. What the heck? To be honest, if I wasn't just your friend, I would like to, you know, kiss them. I'm sorry. Did I make things awkward? I didn't mean to. Oh my god. Did that actually just happen? Why did you kiss me? Uh, uh, I looked too cute not to kiss. I don't even know what to say to that, but I do know what I want to do right now. Huh. I was right. Well, A, I thought your lips were gonna be so soft, and I was right. But B, I kind of knew you'd be an amazing kisser. Like I said, everything about you is absolutely perfect. um, can I actually come clean about something? While I was really, really cold in bed, it wasn't actually keeping me up. I kind of had an ulterior motive for wanting to lay in bed with you. I wanted to take this chance to finally express um, my feelings for you. We've been friends for years now, since like middle school. And now that we're adults and we're living together, I don't really know how to even begin to say this, so I guess I'm just gonna come right out with it. I'm in love with you. I have been in love with you ever since we first became friends. I can't keep this to myself anymore. I need you to know how I feel. These past couple of weeks, it's just been getting too much and I can't hold it in anymore. I mean, with the fall coming around, it's a terrible time to be single and I've had a crush on you for forever. I mean, there was Halloween and there was Thanksgiving and I had to sit through all of that just being your friend. But now that it's almost Christmas, I want to pick out our Christmas tree together and I want to do hot chocolate and I want to do all of those things with you. I want to be yours. I want to go on dates with you. I want to kiss you whenever I feel like kissing you. I want to be your girlfriend. And I guess I don't know what I expect from just blurting all of this out there. And if you don't feel the same, I promise I'll understand, although that kiss will have been really misleading, but I will understand. I just had to get it off my chest. You feel the same way? Oh, I'm so happy right now. I don't even know what to say. I love you so much. I know it might be a little too soon to say that, but I have been in love with you. I just hope I don't scare you away. Hmm? Okay. I can agree with that. You can get some more sleep and talk more in the morning. I'm so sleep deprived. I feel like I might just start blabbing about everything. So it's a great idea. Good night, my love. I can't wait to talk to you more in the morning. I'll miss you while I sleep.